Our day everyone. Today we are back at the Shell gas station located in Keswick. And guess what? They're replacing the MAXX and ChoiceWash XT systems with a soft touch and a touchless bay. And look at what we got here in the left bay. In the soft touch bay we have a Ryko SoftGloss MAXX 5. So a new Ryko system for me to film. And I'm finally glad that I have a SoftGloss system that is going to be up and running soon. That is still under construction, but it still has the Belanger signage too, which is really weird. And then, of course, in the touch-free bay, which is in the right, looks like we got a brand new Belanger Kondor KL2. You can see here, one of the newest models and stuff. Look at that. So they're doing a soft touch and a touchless bay. So I guess I will have to come back here once the two bays are open, and then I can try out these two bays. Like, wow, what a surprise. I wasn't expecting to see a brand new Ryko system at a Shell station, and then a Kondor and a touchless bay. So now this wash has both soft touch and touchless bays, just like it used to be until the two MAXX 7s got replaced with the ChoiceWashes. Apparently, these systems are planned to be opening back up on November 29th. So I will definitely have to try it for soft touch first and then do the touchless another day. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this quick update, and that will be it for me. Bye now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.